All right, I just got this. This is the, I think it's called Bextgoo, B-E-X-T-G-O-O. Yeah, I know the names are weird, but it's a made in China body cam. Well, I opened this before, but I just figured I'd do a re-unboxing of it. But this kind of concerns me. I don't know if this was open before or whatever. I don't know. It's got a little, there's no seal on it or anything. It's got some damage to the box. It's kind of ripped right there. So I don't know. Maybe it's a return. I don't know if it was a return. It happened before on Amazon. It was a lot. I'm sure this won't be the last time it happens. Getting stuff is supposed to be new. It's reboxed. It's a return. I don't know, but we'll see. Now, what else comes in the box? The instruction manual. It's in English and another language. It's good. It comes with a a long shoulder clip, but it doesn't come with a short clip. I don't think so. At least not in this box, anyway. But your experience may vary. It comes with a USB Type-C cable for charging and data transfer. So that's it. And what the hell is this? This is one of these quality inspection certificate things. Qualified certificate. Yeah, no one cares about that. Anyhow, all right. So, getting to this, I was using it like 5 minutes, and then I'd figure before I clean my house, I figured I'd just open and do an unboxing of this real fast, a re-unboxing, and show you how it works. And I'll use it tomorrow to do some deliveries and see what happens. All right, so turn it on. It's a regular body cam. You know what these look like if you've used one of these before. Looks just like it looks very similar to the one the police use. This is the on button. Long press that, turns it on. You can disable the sounds and everything in the settings menu if you want. Oh yeah, by the way, it comes with a piece of tape or a piece of protector over the lens. So make sure you remove the protector from the lens, because you're gonna start complaining to me that the image looks like shit. It's gonna look like crap if you forget to take the lens protector off. Just make sure you take that lens protector off, or else the image, the video quality, it's gonna look like crap because it's obscured. On off button. This is to. Oh, short press to do this. But don't be using this for illegal purposes, okay? I don't have to tell you that. Just behave yourselves. So short press to turn on the siren. Short press again to disable the siren. Leave the lights flashing. And press again to turn the whole thing off. Long press to turn on the LED light. All right. Long press again to turn that off. This is the LED. This is the USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer. This is all waterproof and everything. This is the button to start recording video. So you short press that. You're recording video now, and you're gonna see an LED in the front. It's blinking. All right. Shut that off. Let's see, what is this? This is the audio, the audio record button to put it in audio recording mode. Then you hit it again to start recording. So it starts recording. Hit it again to stop recording. Then to go into standby mode, you could hit that. Then you're back in standby mode now. But to start record, you hit that. And it starts recording video. To stop recording, hit it again, and stops recording. See? Okay. There's no instant recording or anything like that. Quick start recording, whatever it's called. You have to hit the power, and you have to hit this. There's no one touch recording. That's what I'm trying to say. There's no one touch recording on this, as far as I can tell. So you long press the up button to go into infrared mode manually. So you're infrared mode. You long press it again. You see the icon there. to get out of infrared mode. To play back your files, you long press the down button, and then it goes into the, where you can toggle up and down, you know, you go between the different files. And in order to list them, you go like that. So you can go up and down, and then to access each one, you hit OK to start playing it. And that's it. You can't delete any of the files from the camera because it doesn't allow you to. You know, for, I guess, security purposes. Let's say something bad happens or someone gets hold of your camera and they try to erase evidence against them or something like that. You know, they won't be able to do it, supposedly, because you can only delete the files if you connect it to a computer. Like, they can't do it, you know, if they're holding it in their hand. They can only delete it if they connect it to a computer. It's 64 gigabytes of onboard memory. There's no memory card. All right, so once it's in standby mode, you can hit that one. We know what the lines on this one over here for the menu, to access the menu. So you got resolution, image quality, you know, you can change any of the things here with this. And then you hit OK to access like sub menu, and you can go ahead and change any of those that you want, and then hit OK to select resolution. And you go down like this. You get image quality, cyclic record. That's the loop recording option. Turn that on or off. Segment time. That's how long the loop recording is. I think it's like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever the heck it is. White balance, auto, or you could set it to auto, or you could set it to manual, whatever you want to set it to. EV is the exposure value. You could set that up wherever you want. Motion detection, turn that on or off. Audio while recording, yes or no. You can hit that. Whether or not you want the date tag shown in the video. Beep sound. It's always something that's misspelled. This one, you set up the beep sound. It's obviously misspelled. Beep sound. Okay, so the beep sound, you turn that on or off for the buttons. Time setting, you set up the time, do whatever you want. How auto power on off is how long you want it to stay on in standby mode before it shuts off. 1 minute, 5 minutes, whatever. Language, self-explanatory. Flicker, you can set it to 50 hertz or 60 hertz depending on your country. Screensaver, how long before you want the screen to shut off, to save the battery. On-screen display, yes or no, you could set that up. Whether or not you want the on-screen display on or off. Resolution switch, time lapse, you can set that up. Anti-shake, I think it's some sort of stabilization, I'm not sure. I'll put it to the test when I test this thing out tomorrow. Auto record. Car mode, you could set it up as a dash cam. Secret shooting, you could turn the LED and sounds off while recording for more discreet recording. Volume, you could set that low, medium, or high, whatever you want. Infrared mode is whether or not you want the infrared mode to be manual or automatic. So the infrared lights can come on at night manually or automatically, depending on lighting conditions and stuff like that. If you wanted a manual, you could set it to manual. Picture quality, all right, economic. I usually set it, fine is the highest setting. Normal is normal, and economic probably looks like crap, but it's to save space on the memory card. I just set it to fine because it's the best quality. Video pre-record, time-lapse video, you can set the time for that. Multiple shots. Voice play, you can set a police ID. What the hell is this? Modified device? I don't know, modified device number. I don't mess with any of that stuff. You can set up a password. That's to format the memory. Reset the system. You could do it that way, or you could do it with this little hole right there. You could stick like a pin or something in there in case it starts acting up. You could reset it to factory settings. System info. And version of software. That's it. So you're back in standby mode now. number 16.
16?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. All right, there you go. Have a good day. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Confirm. Scan it. Okay. All right. Thank you.